In this video, we'll see how to upload a document or PDF file to the drive. It may be your Google Drive, it may be your OneDrive or the drive of your mobile. So I'm showing you on the mobile only. For example, this is my downloads folder. In the My Files, we are having documents, downloads and many files. So I'm going to my downloads folder. For example, I am having this file Computer Science 2021 PDF. Now I want to upload this file on the Google Drive. So why I'll upload this file on the Google Drive? Because it will be available everywhere. It may be your mobile or your computer as you are teaching with the different devices. So it will be available on the drive. Whenever you want, you can open it. So just you have to select this file, or you can select multiple files. Then see here at the bottom we are having the option share. So click on the share button and you will get so many options from where you want to share it. You can see here save to drive. First is the WhatsApp, then save to drive, then OneDrive, then Teams, and many things are there. At the last I am having Samsung Cloud Drive also because my mobile is of Samsung company. Your mobile company will also give you OneDrive. So you can select any OneDrive. For example, I am clicking here to the Google Drive to save to Google Drive. So it is asking you want this file to save to the Google Drive. It is my account name, right? If you want to change the account name, you can change it. Folder is my drive, right? So just click on the save. So it is saving the file on my Google Drive, right? Now if you want to open it from the mobile, just go to the Google tab. You are having the drive here. Just open the drive. In the My Drive, you are having different folders and different classes. For example, I am having this chapter 10. So I can open this. So now this chapter 10, whatever the PDF related to your course or contents will be opened from drive only. So it will not occupy the memory in your mobile. So mobile space will be free. So it is very easy to open and to edit and to install it, right? Now you can do one more thing. For example, I have selected this. Now we are having some option. You want to share this file to somebody, or you want to copy the link and you can send the copy, whatever you want to do. For example, I am sharing this drive. You can add the people to whom you want to share it. For example, I am sharing it with like any, and now this person will be the editor, viewer or commenter. Editor, that means that person can edit your PDF file or your any file that you are sharing with him or her. Viewer, that means he or she can only view the file. You can add a message here, please check this whatever, and then you can send it. So this link has been, this person is added and it is shared with particular that person. We are having some more option, like you can copy the link and you can share this link to the WhatsApp so that other person can open it, right? We are having some more options here like this one. So it will select all the things whatever we are having in the folder. Then we can move this folder to another folder. So just click on the move, then it will move the folder. Now as if you are recording your classes regularly, then that recordings, for example, if you are recording the classes using screen recorder, so these are the recordings. So you can just select any recording, go to the share option, and then again save it to the drive. Again you have to give your Gmail ID and then you have to save it. So it is the simple procedure so that you can save your mobiles or laptops memory and just share everything on the Google Drive and delete it from your hard device, like your mobiles or hard disk of the laptop or the desktop. So you can do this, and thank you.